So we got this old plate compactor here from Harbor Freight, and you know, this rusted nicely because we don't put it away, and actually this gas tank is pretty terrible too. So we got ourselves a replacement gas tank and a new wire, so we're going to be able to control the throttle. We did just replace the carburetor also, so we're going to be like up and running. It's going to be like new. I mean, minus a little bit of rust, but hey, let's get this thing together. So what we're going to do first, pull this off, take all the pieces off. We'll be able to get to the screw right here much easier. Remove this whole thing down here. I'll show you. First step is get these off. I would use an 8mm if I could find them, but it's not in my bag right now, so we're just going to use this adjustable, pull these two off, and then this will come off, and we can strip this down because we're replacing. Next, underneath here, we got 2 nuts to take off. The next one is this guy down here, right there. It's an 8mm, so we need to get in there like so. Next, we're going to remove these. You're just going to squeeze that, push it back off. To get in here, I just pulled off this, and we got this going like so. If I had a longer extension right now, it would be much easier and I wouldn't be stuck in between here. But I don't. Once you got that off, you just got to pull this little line off on the bottom, and done. Looks like this is the part number if you need it. So over here, this is the bottom fuel line. We just pulled that right off. Now while we're in here, we're going to disconnect this cable because we need that to be replaced too. This will require a Phillips head screwdriver for both parts of it. So it looks like to get this on, we're going to have to pull this whole thing out and push it back through this. But let's just pull this out for now. You see it's pretty dead. Oh, it broke in half. There we go. So to get that out, it only goes out this way, which means that we have to pull the cable out of the sheathing and then put it back in. So we're gonna pull this new one all the way out, and it's gonna go back in and feed it through here. When you order this gas tank, it does come with a fuel filter. So unlike me, who ordered a fuel filter, you will not need to, since I told you about this. And this thing was like 20 bucks, which was pretty cheap. So we're gonna just put it through there and then put it back into this sheathing here. The first thing you're gonna do when putting it back together is hook up the fuel, because that gets it into place. And then you're gonna line these screws up through the holes, and it's gonna sit in the right place. The next thing we gotta get off is this old one. It looks like it slides right off through there. There's little rubber holders, and they slide right onto that one. I'm gonna recommend replacing this thing. Mine's a little messed up, taking it off, but I'm just gonna stick it back on there. We're up to this part where the gas cap is connected. Okay, that took the most effort of anything to get that to hook on there. But now we're back to normal. I'll let you see it when it runs. Here's the fuel tank number again. And we're gonna be up and running as soon as we add gas.